shoot and fucking die.
Damn, son.
Sometimes I feel like I just wanna go back to my old ways. You're telling me I'm silly, it's no fun. In the old days, I'm such a romantic. I never remember how things really happen. I guess you're attractive or something. Live in the moment, that's what they tell me. But whatever happened to when you would hold me and hold me and hold me? Girlfriend or girl that's a friend, it's easy just to pretend that we don't have something real. It's just how we feel. We feel. Oh, it's just how we feel. How we feel. I'm feeling something right. 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 I wanna be the one you think about at night, and I wanna be the one that you would put up a fight for. You know that I adore, that even when you're bored, I'd buy you anything and everything I can afford.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't wanna believe my feelings for you. I didn't wanna believe that I could lose you if I told you just how I felt. But I can't help it, I'm falling for you, and I can't quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you. And it might be pathetic and you might be skeptical, but I just want to be with you. Please tell me, boy, can you get a clue or come through, 'cause I just want to be with you. I'm scared of telling you how I feel.
Back again with me. Yeah. So what we are going to today's. Wait, it's kind of broken my mic. Right. So what we are going to do now, I think I'm going to make a crawler for a fish price. This is one of the project in the fishery. The project is pretty simple, so I just need to gather all of the fish price in Indonesia, no matter what district or region. The point is, we need to gather or farm the data, the fish price data from the past. We help like crawl the data from past 3 years ago, right? So I think it's pretty simple.
Coffee starting, don't remember much. All you talk too much. Time to go. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. You've got those big blue eyes, drive me crazy, make me fantasize about you, baby. And you smell so sweet, like fresh picked
I think I'm going to
daisies.
start
Call
it.
me Dahmer,
So here we go.
your heart's so tasty.
So here is the codes. Just pretty simple codes with the Python, but I just already made a lot of progress with this project. So what I'm going to do now is just simply clean up the codes and then push this into the adversary account, adversary project. I think there is many adversary project that I want to publish in the adversary GitHub repository. So here it is. So I'm going to explain a little bit about the project. Oh, hi Axel, what's up, man? So here is one of the notes. Maybe I want to tell you about the project a little bit. So the project is about the harga pasar ikan crawler. So this is inspired by my latest projects. It's called the Pipit, that I want to compare the latest price of every item in the Jogja Alfamart and Indomart. So one of my friend in the fishery, he called the Newman, especially he birthday today, I guess. So he analyzed about the ikan gurami, and he want to predict how the price evolve for every time since maybe 2 to 3 years ago. 2 to 3 years ago is like a valid time to predict how it come for the future. So maybe in the future we can predict the fish price. So for my first analysis, I need to gather the data collector. So the fish price is a lot of data that show a fish price on the internet. So we have a lot of data source. The base validate source is from the data collector. That we have a lot of data collector in here. One of the reliable data one is from the WPI. Oh my god. wpi.kkp.go.id. It's just simply a website that lists a price from every time and also specified from every region in Indonesia. Actually, there is a lot of websites that listed a fish price in Indonesia, especially government. They want to create something like this. So I gather a lot of data, a lot of source of information. One of it from the Jogja Prof, the example from like this, but sadly it's actually from past for 4 years ago, and we have the info panganjakarta.co.id, but actually the fish commodity is not really that much. We only have this ikan bandeng, ikan mas, and ikan lele. I don't know if this data is actually reliable, but I actually have a lot of data about the commodity fish, so this is not good enough, I think. But this is actually maybe I can rely this with only 2 to 3 of these fish commodities. And the next one we have like Cimahi Kota, but actually it's not really reliable. It's only have the ikan kembung and ikan olahan, and we also have this one from the Kota Medan, but the fish is kind of different. They only have the tongkol, gembung, dencis, and mas. But the problem one, I can specify the date in here. Yes, and I bet this is actually a reliable data on the internet. But the problem, I can specify the data that the date I want to get the data from. So another one, I have the info pasar dan pasar.kota.go.id, and then from the Pontianak also. So for today, I think I'm going to get it from the info in Jakarta, and then can I get this one? Hey, I gave it all for you, gave it all for you, but I'll do it all. Okay, so actually I already gathered the data from the internet. It's already running right now, and the target is from the WPI KKP, and then from also the fishinginfojatim.net. So how this is working? Uh, how this working is actually already streamed this maybe three days ago. Yeah, 3 days ago. So from the 3 days ago, I have a problem to specify the dates to get the data from. So I actually found how to do it, but I just simply add underscore in here and then specify the dates with the how do you call it, the timestamp. So this is underscore query parameter is actually with the value of the timestamp. And then I have the fishinfojatim.net is actually go to website and reliable data, but the problem on they not they not have a lot of data, but this is an updated data. And maybe if you want to ask where the that I store is actually from the advisory database is from here. So we call this the fresh DB or the fresh 3.0. Uh, here is the data. Oh my god. There is a spam bot. How do I ban this spam bot? Oh hi, we lark up. What up, man? Yeah, this is Django. How do I ban that person? And how do I remove that chat? Maybe chat setting, show what icon, emotes. How maybe I will clear the chat. Oh yeah, hi Willarkop. Yeah, this is actually Django, and you could see this is actually Django. It's pretty simple, right? This is actually pretty simple because all developer can and any developer can using Django is pretty easy. Even the data scientist can use this. Ini data yang di scraping dari kemarin. Yap. I do scrap all the data. Is actually already like a lot of data in here. It's already like 100,000 data on the internet. It's specifically from the Jatim of Jatim and from the KKP. And the latest one is right now already scrapped from 2 years ago, maybe 2019. Yeah. Okay, I think on this moment I will I will show you how I do scrap this. But actually this is my content for the YouTube uh, for tomorrow. But I think I need I need to define what content I need to build for the YouTube. I don't know if this all actually interesting, but I think I will keep move on to make some content, because you know my YouTube is not updated from past 2 weeks ago. So I think I will make something. So yeah, from the scrolling. Yeah, actually I already prepared about the video, the about talking about security application, especially from the phone's website like Ruang Guru or something website like that. But you know, um, if I keep continue about show making a content about the security, it's not actually my passion. Jangan lupa share di FB-nya. Yeah, there is a moment that I actually don't want to share my my stream, because it feels like I don't want to involve many people to watch me, and so I just want to like small talk, or I just want to working on there. You know, it's not like I don't like people talking with me, or I don't. It's not like I don't like people look watch my stream. It just you know, the viewers the viewers on the live stream always show the count of 1 2 3 4 5. Whenever the count is like tens or more than tens, it's like give me nervous. So sometimes I just feel like, okay, I just want to not really that much people watching my watching my stream. So it's just like, okay, I don't want to share that on FB. But yeah, anyway, it's really a good thing to share this on uh, Facebook. Anyway, I will share that on Facebook. Belajar biar nggak jadi. Actually, how do you call it? I'm not that I'm not that introvert, but you know, I just believe that having not a lot of having not a lot of friends is measure is the measure for me to have a girlfriend. Why like that? A good friend is not measured by how much people you have. Good friends, for me, a good friend is actually measured by how much people care about you. I know if many people care about you, it's actually not a good thing. If many people actually care about you, it's like catastrophic. It's like, you know, artists, people idolize people. It turns out will be a bad thing. I'm talk too much. Okay, I think I'm going to continue. So here is the crawler. I think I'm going to clean this today. Just pretty simple. So here's the example. And so I just simply run like this, Python 3 and then main.py. That's it. Yep, that's right. Friends is who cares. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right, buddy. You're right. It is how it works. Oh, it is actually not working. Here. Oh crap! I think I need to. I think I need to delete that. Forget about that. Here, just simply like processing about how the data is captured and how this is work. Maybe I think I'm going to show you how this is work. It's pretty simple. So actually this is the website. So actually they already have the API for to gather the data, the fees price data. So I just simply refresh this, and here we go. Look, this is really nice here request URL. See how much the query parameter is. There is a column 0 and column 1, column 2. Actually, it's pretty useless. We only need this much: row, start, length, and underscore. And here is the data model. I just already shared that like 2 days ago, right? And then here is how the process of the crawling, and then here is how to get the data. So if return beside of 200, it will break the application and then end the application. So if the status is like 200, it will start to get the data and then start to show a progressive bar like this. I'm using the progress, and then after that I will hit the API to save the data. So the data is much like this. So look, you see how the data is actually updated, right? Previously it's just simply like this. So if you could see that I have a two method in here, an API method and then a scraping method. How the scraping method? So the scraping method is actually a different source of data. It's from the fishinfo.jatim.net, and here is how it looks like. It's from a different file. It's just jatim.py, and if you could see, I'm using the beautiful SOAP in here to scraping the HTML, and here is how it works. Here is how it works. So here is the price. So the problem with the price is they always show from within the range, within a 5 days range. But that's the problem. I want to see a price from every day for a 3 years. 3 years. It's like 1000 days. So what I'm going to do, so I just specify from date, from end to date with the same date, and then I just save the filter. It's actually there is no date in here. I just forget about that. Maybe 20. I'm kind of forget about. Oh, here is a lot of data. I think if the process, it's actually no data. Okay, I think I'm going to show you how it works. So I see there is 2 viewers in here. Hello everyone. Here we go. So I could see the data from 30 December 2020. 30 December 2020. Here is the data. It's a lot of data, right? So how this is work is like simply like previously with the API KKP. Well, dikerjain website. Ya gua nggak dapat data yang spesifik. I just can get the right data. If you could see, so there is from the 1st January is actually there is no available data, but from the 31 December 2020 there is actually a data available there. Just simply like that, there is no available data and there is actually available data. So if you could see, I'm using the scraping in here. There is no API available. So what I do is just simply using this URL with the row of query parameter from the URL itself, and then exit the program. So here it is how I'm scrape the data from the HTML. I just simply get the text. It's equivalent with the looking source of the page like this. So I will parse with the format of the HTML parser, and then what I'm doing in here, I will find a HTML tag with the tr tag, simply like this. So I need to calculate how much the tr tag is available in here. Okay, so I just test this. It's like it's defined by how much the data, this data. So if there is like 172, it means there is a tr tag like 173. Why 173? Included this header. So I just simply like this, and then I set up the bar, progress bar like this, and then I will scraping, and then after get the tr, I will find the td, because after the HTML tag of the tr there is always the td, and then after that the problem comes with the price. If you could see, with the price is a lot like this, right? So from this part, I think I need to set this top. So here you see this code, okay? So how this is working, so item 3 is how I get this string, and then split how do you call this, a comma, and then I do split it like this. And then I get 0. It means I remove this, I don't need this. Okay, so that means I have this now, and then I replace any rupiah, so it means I remove this, and then after that I remove any dot, and then after that I remove any empty string. That's it. So here is the value, and then I convert this into integer. I convert this into integer, and then I send this to the API server, and then after that just that's it. I do working this background. So what we are going to do now is to get from this source. Oh wait, I forget. Oh yeah, infopanganjakarta.go.id. Yeah, I want to get this from here right now. So what we are going to do now, I will get the data from the Informasi Pangan Jakarta, and then after that we are going to clean up the source code, and then after that we are going to proper deployment the data. Alright, so what we are going now, statistic per komoditas. Oh, this is much simple. Kalau lu takut stream kalau orangnya lebih dari tapi pasti Python kok berani mas. That's a different story. I'm like this. It's not like I'm an introvert person. You can call that I'm a weird person. There is a mood, like I want to meet a lot of people, and I do talk a lot. And then there is a time whenever I just see people and we have an eye contact, it makes me tired. I don't want to talk. Just keep away from me. I want to stay in the corner of the room. You know, you can call that I'm kind of weird, but sometimes I do have a mood to do that, and I do have not mood to do that. Yeah, you can call that I'm really a weird person. Sometimes I want to sit, sometimes I want to stand up in uh, the table, and then sometimes I want to sit in the eat in the toilet. You can call me weird because sometimes I want to do that. It's like my brain tell me, hey, it will be fun if you do that. Hey, it will be fun if you'll do that, and I do that anyway. And uh that's like I do have, it's also my problem because of my brain working like that. I can sleep good. I can have a good sleep. Yeah, sometimes I have a problem with reading a book. Like normal people, what do normal people doing whenever read a book? They are sitting, open the book, and then just read uh, inside of their mind. It's different with my brain. I'm reading, I'm reading aloud in my mind, but sometimes my brain want to tell me to think anything else. You can call that I can think uh, anything else whenever someone talk to me, whenever I'm doing anything. It's kind of weird. No, it's not random mood. I do know about that. It's not a random mood, but if you know, understand about that more, it's you could say that something. Oh, here we go. This is pretty cool. Wait, this actually using the API. Random mood is actually a good mood. Random mood is like, well, I can control my mood. Well, I can do something. But the problem is my brain is actually makes my daily activity bad. There is a week, not a day. There is a week I don't want to work. And I just stay on the computer and looking at the screen doing nothing for a whole day. Yeah, maybe it's that's kind of normal, right? Whenever someone talk to you and then you want to talk, you have anything else in your mind. But the problem, whenever you want to talk with people and there is a time you talk with someone, your brain is thinking anything else, like three part of thinking anything else, like how about my wife, how about my son, how about uh, the 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 fire stove, is it already off or not? And the weird part, I just tell you already that I sometimes want to stand up on the table or sit on the table. Whenever I have an offline meeting with people, I have that in my mind. So it's kind of weird. So to prevent that, I stand up and I do anything else to move my body to move. I do move my body to prevent that happen. Sometimes I get the stick. Sometimes I get the stick. I just go out from the meeting room and I get the stick and I go inside the meeting and then I just hold that and then I give that to people inside the room. And then they are already thinking like, what? Why are you giving me the stick? weird. It just really weird. Oh, here we go. Beautiful. My life is pretty easy if we are. Oh, so the commodity ID, they have a specific commodity ID in here. Alright, so let's do this. Info Pangan Jakarta. We're going to create a new file in here. Let's say let's say Jakarta.py, and then we're going to specify with the URL. We are remove the parameter path, and then we are making a new variable with the query, and then we made like this, and then so the CID is actually the commodity ID, so we made it like this. And I don't know about the M. What is that? M? Oh, M is month. This is month. And this is Y. Year. This is year. Actually, this is string, right? Uh, the string, the integer is much better. Okay, let's see with the commodity ID. Here's the commodity ID. With the fish, 28, 29, and 30. Let's define it here. 29, 29, and 20, 30. Oops. So the 20. What? Do I remove that? Yeah. 28 is like ikan bandeng sedang, and then 29 is like ikan mas, and then 30 is like ikan lele. Oh, all right. So this is month. I don't know about the public. And here's the years. That obviously years. Okay. So we need the request, and then we need anything else from here. Yep. And then we don't need this beautiful soap because this is the API. It's actually similar with this, and we are going to use the data model in here. We specify the data model. So this is from the source, this, and then we are going to specify this with this different slug. Let's IPJKT. Right, so the middle with the script with the API, and then the data collector, the region, right, the region. Okay, so we need to specify this from the beginning. Oh, it's actually month, not a day. I need a day. It's not a month. Oh, shit. Wait, how about doing this? Oh, it's only show from the low and high and also an average. Oh, beautiful. Look, this is all the 30 days. How do I get that? Say again. March. Here is the data. Oh, nice. Here is the data from the zero. Wait. How the data is like have a 40 data? Oh, it's a place. Here is the series of the data. Nice, I need this. Oh, 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 I don't know. What's up? Go eat one. You want me to make you something? Oke, ini project dipublish GitHub kapan mas? Today. Today, after this. So I'm going to finish this all like today, and then I will publish this on the internet, on the advisory project. Here's the data. I will remove the Jatim, and then here's the commodities. So I need to specify the date. I think I need to specify the date for early. Today. Oh, wait. It will be much better if I specify this from the argument of the command line. Yang dipublish berarti cuman scrapingnya aja mas. What do you expect? What do you think? Endpoint buat nyetor data scrapingnya mas. No, I don't have that. Actually, my plan to building this from the beginning is actually a stateless. That is why you don't see me to store any data. Yeah, I just a functional programming person. I hope that I make any tools is stateless as much as possible. Yeah, you know, with the API endpoint, it's just pretty simple. You just serve the post with this data model. That's it. That's it. I just store this on the database, and then I will give my friend. It is he asking about. So I just asking him about the data is actually not normal, and then what kind of the data he want. He just want simply a file of CSV or JSON or XLS. Okay, this mean I can use the command line argument to specify the tanggal, but if I don't specify this, I think I will specify this as today. So how to specify this? Wait, this is actually using the month. Okay, I think I'm going to get like this. Alright, the problem with the date, wait, this is kind of hard. It's actually they only need a month. and they already specify the date of the full of date. Wait, let me see. Is it data model? Okay. Here is the time delta. Time delta is actually defined about the days, about the month. Let me see. So let's say with from date time import date time. I will list the low. Oh, I forget about the time delta. Date time import time delta, and then I will specify a new variable with the date time or strp time. It will be better like this now, and then date. It's about lol, and then lol month. No, lol.strf time. We'll get the month. Oops. Lol.strf time. Okay. Here's how it works. How about the become what and I forget about the time format item.
Can you help me?
But the technique like Yeah, I'm back. Setiap hari ngobrol sama istri pakai English, mas? Enggak. Cuma refleks. Sumpah refleks. Kadang kita ngomong tiba-tiba pakai bahasa lain. Kebiasaan. Tapi kita nggak pernah ngebiasain itu di depan publik sih, malu. Kalau gue malu sih. Malunya tuh diliatin orang, bukan kenapa-napa sih. Pakai bahasa Sunda biasa itu oke. Kok nggak bisa ya? Bisa ya, platform spesifik kok pantesan. Berarti di Windows, we can do this on the Windows Linux, right? And then right. Okay, let's see how it work. Pip-env run Python. Ini jakarta.py. Oh, they specify the place with the name of the marketplace, traditional marketplace. Okay, so the data is from like this, and then I will filter this like this, and then with ID low high average series, and then we have a series in here. So we can specify with like this 21 04 0. Okay, we need to specify with the params. We need to specify this. Oh, no. So query with the aim, it mean the let's make a new variable. It's today. Today is actually the date time data serif time, the data model of the tanggal, y, m, and b. Okay, I will get it like that. From this part today.srp time, we need to convert this into months, and then this one year also with only why. Okay, so how about that? List index is out of range. Is it out of range?
I'll get straight to the
Start
point. I
of
found marijuana
time.
in the house.
The time
Well,
dot
never thought of
date
myself
object
as
does
a
not
drug
apply to a
tester.
step.
I'm willing
It's
to
the
give
line
you
of
a
the
step to
33.
find out who brought a joint into this house.
Dad, Lucy found something too.
Dad, I found a joint in Mom's dresser drawer.
Oh, it's actually a STRP time. Okay. Here we get the data. We need to, the length of the data is actually how define how much region they have. For market in data, okay, we need to loop the data, and then we have this series data with the name, and then they have a good variable about the low to high, but I don't need that. Let's immediately get to the series. Day in date price in market series. So from this part we will send the data. Let's just print the they're using the number. I think we're going to use the enumerate. We're going to add the index, day, and price. Okay, so back to custom data model. The data model of the commoditas is using the number of this one. Okay, so I think I need to custom the commodities. Okay, that means I need to loop it from here. For month in range from the 28 to 30. Yeah, I hope this is right. Let's try.
Sometimes I feel like
51.
just wanna go back to my old ways. You're telling me I'm silly, it's no fun. In the old days, I'm such a romantic. I never remember how things really happen. I guess you're attractive or something.
Oh no, it's not month, it's commodities.
But whatever happened to when you would hold me,
CID.
and hold me.
So we need to use the query CID. What the CID? And then after all the commodities captured the data, and then we are to change to the month. Okay, so the commoditas is alright. We need to make something like this. Commodities 28 is 29 is So what we are going to do is just simply like this commodities, and then we get the CID and daerah. We need to specify this from here, and then price. Data model.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
What kind of the data they gave to us, or just simply number? So we're going to use DNT with the price.
If I told you just how I felt, but I can't help it. I'm
falling in love.
And I can't quit
Data model with the
stuck
date.
on you.
Okay, this is the
It might
tricky
be
part.
pathetic and you might be skeptical, but I just want to be with you. Please tell me, boy, can you get a clue or come through? Cause I just want to be with you. I'm scared of telling you how I feel.
I can do that.
Maybe it's better if I just try to conceal the truth for me and for you. But I'm still stuck on you.
Oh, how about like this? Day. This. And then like this. Haha. Right. And after that, I think I want to print the data model. So after that, I need to exit the program. Let's just try this. Pretty neat. Wait, the price is not working. The price? Why? Wait, we need to extract. Extract.
Fresh picked daisies, call me Dahmer, 'cause your heart's so tasty. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. And I watched you break like glass you shattered. I said it's my mistake. I make things harder, so I tried my best to shut my mouth, but all the thoughts I hid dug their way out. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum. Said you can't trust me.
Yeah, I'm going to use these items instead of that.
Tell a lie. Now my bed sheets smell
Yeah, how did it work?
your cologne, and in our separate worlds we sleep.
Right, it's pretty easy.
Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-dum, da-da-dum, ba-ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba.
I think we need to reformat this. Okay, there's a model.
time.strp time data model tanggal with the y m and b, and then yes, yeah, nice, it's working. I'm going to comment this. I don't think this is necessary. All right, so it's working. That's pretty good. Okay, so we are going to specify the bar. Bar processing to get. Okay, and then max length of the market series. All right, so bar.next, and then bar.finish, and then I need to specify this. Print the data of commodities. Oops. Commodity of CID. I need to look this from the month first. So I'm going to use the while true. I don't want to specify anything in there. And then I will specify the month now. Okay, now how to specify the month? Alright. Now first, I think I need to get the today date. This is pretty accurate, or we can use this. And we need to change this to here. Also this one. Okay. What I'm going to do with today in here, and then I will change with today. That means time delta of month 1. Okay, I think I'm going to print this.
A brisa vem do mar, eu no teu olhar, uma estrela no céu. Sinto teu desejo a querer o meu beijo, e na rua uma lua de mel, de mel. Danço a hula hoop, o tcha tcha tcha, sou estrela no céu. Vem do
Ah, it's using relative delta. What? Oh, wait. Wait, I need to use the date utils. That's annoying. Okay, let's reverse this with the time delta. And we're going to use the natural mass.
Eu no teu olhar, uma estrela no céu. Sinto teu desejo a querer o teu beijo. E narro numa lua de mel. Danço a rolar roquinho, tchá tchá tchá. Sou estrela no céu. Vem tocar meu corpo sensual. Quero ouvir você chamar. Danço a rolar roquinho, tchá tchá tchá. Sou estrela no céu. Vem tocar meu corpo sensual. Quero ouvir você chamar. Danço a rolar roquinho, tchá tchá tchá. Sou estrela no céu.
Let's just 31 for a safe measure. Like right. Okay. So what we're going to do first, we're going to plus this first, and then after that, I'm going to set the today with the previous month. I'm going to do like this. So I'm going to print the today first to make sure it's working. Right, it's working. So how about if I change this to 42? Right. How about 1? Pakai time delta week aja, Mas. I don't know about that, but I just want to wait. 1 month there is also have a 4 to 5 month a week, so it's actually equivalent with the days. Sometimes they have 30, 28, and 31. So it's actually pretty same. So here is the today, and then I'm going to print the day. Oh no, from the here get the data. Today, if I need to see my fine. So day.sp time $B and then let's see how it works. Oh yeah, I need to use this a single quote instead of the double quote. Hmm? Oh, STRF time, sorry. Get the data of ikan bandeng. Right. Okay, apprend this, and then we'll get this one, this one, this one. Alright. Okay, let's see how it works. Oh, oh la la, it's much faster. It's already just to no, no, no. Okay, let's see. This is only ikan lele, ikan bandeng, and then ikan mas, ikan bandeng, ikan lele, ikan mas. 31 days. Every 31 days. Okay, that will be all. I think I need to define until which date this process need to be stopped. Okay, stop. I will specify this as today. So this is like the end of the month, so that means the last of the month will be gathered, will be scrapped. How do I calculate this? All right. If today is actually same with the end of day, it mean break. Okay, what if I specify this with the last month like this? That would be good. Okay, let's see how it works. Oh, yeah, I need to specify the month. Hmm? Oh yeah. Need to get it like this. That's it. 1, 2. Wait. Stop it. Oh yeah. Um, I just simply need to compare this with the string. That will much better. So today STRP STRF time with the Y. If this is the same, it will be done. Oops, I forget to start collecting from March until February. Okay, let's prove if that will working. This is supposed to be stopped when reach to the February. Oh wait, I just simply stop this. March, March. Wait, there is something wrong with this. So I get the today and then convert this to date, and then today add this into 31 days and then previous days. If today Why skipping from the February? It's supposed to be not skipping that. Skipping February, just weird. Oh wait, I think I missed something. Ya sudah selesai Kak Mas. Udah selesai sih hitungannya. Cuman projectnya mau dikumpletin sampai ke beneran udah jadi si produknya. Jadi kayaknya baru dirilis nanti. Tapi udah ada di repo aku sih sebenarnya. Oh halo juga Tegar. Kenapa ngambil Januari ya? Coba kalau misal gua print dulu today-nya. Pantesan dia ngambil karena Februari nggak 30 hari. Ini gua harus ngasih filter di sini berarti. hitungannya jadi nggak normal. Uh, iya, gue harus pakai ini, mau nggak mau. Ini crawl web mana mas? infopanganjakarta.go.id. Ngambil harga ikan. Ini month range-nya ini jalan gak ya? Di open kok. Tapi dia lebih ke stateless sebenarnya. Jadi nggak ada API, jadi nggak ada store data. Jadi tuh outputnya cuman dia dapetin, udah gitu jadi worker buat ngambilin data tersebut. Kalau misal mau simpan kemananya terserah sih. Kalau di sini kan aku ngesetnya tuh request post di sini nih. Nah di sininya terserah kalian sih mau disimpan di mana. Soalnya aku specify di sini sih kayak gini. Month calendar, month range. that. String and text out of range. Which part?
I'm just a fool to keep on chasing after nothing great. You're just a fool to keep pretending that you're loving me. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Call me on the phone at 3, I talk to you while half asleep, complaining about your mother, so I take you to the cemetery. Run to me, I like the sound, I like your voice, I like your mouth,
Wait, month range 2021 like this, right? Pas mau nanya standar penulisan kode itu gimana ya? Standar penulisan kode. Standar penulisan kode tergantung bahasa. Kalau misal betul sih kata Wilharkop juga, cuman kan sebenarnya ada standarnya lagi. Tergantung dari bahasa. Kalau dari bahasa kan ada bukan apa gue lupa ESLint lah. Kalau misal di JavaScript kan ada ESLint. Kalau di Python ya pokoknya namanya linting atau linter. Itu tuh dia tuh software tools analysis buat ngecek kalau misal dia udah ngikutin standar atau enggak. Karena kan untuk ngikutin standar itu semua orang ya itu namanya pakai PEP. Tergantung ya PEP Guardia loh. Ya pokoknya kalau misal setiap bahasa itu ada standarnya masing-masing. Cuman kalau misal mau menstandarkan itu gampang sebenarnya, tinggal pakai linter yang tadi aku sebutkan. Tergantung dari bahasanya. Bahasa kalau JavaScript pada ESLinter, kalau Python ada Python linter lah, gue lupa namanya apa. Tinggal pakai itu dan otomatis kalau misal salah nanti dia bakal error sebenarnya gitu sih. Cuman biasanya kenapa butuh standar penulisan kode? Karena kode review itu berantakan kan. Ya sebenarnya kalau buat kita sendiri kan, kalau misal buat kita sendiri ya udah pakai linter. Tapi kalau abis kita nge-review kode orang lain, kok gue lupa tadi mau ngomong apa ya. Kalau misal kita udah mau pakai standar kode, udah mulai nge-review kode orang lain, kadang linter pun sebenarnya nggak cukup. Kadang gue biasanya nge-reviewnya tuh bener-bener detail, ya terutama dari PR sih. Kalau Mas Mochi pakai apa? Maksud lu? Pakai PEP. Tapi gue jarang sih, karena gue tipikal functional programming, jadi kayak lebih mengandalkan ke review orang lain sih. Kodenya udah enaken atau enggak gitu sih.
Emang kenapa bro? Oh, maksud lu itu. Kalau gue pakai ini, apa namanya? Gue lupa namanya. Flag 8. Gue demen pakai flag 8. Tujuan dari standar itu tuh buat nempel di mindset. Jadi makanya gue lebih prefer pakai pakai flag 8. Soalnya non otomatis gitu. Kalau di tempat aku kerja, standar paling umumnya kita masih pakai ESLint sebenarnya, linternya JavaScript, karena kan base code-nya kita masih pada JavaScript. Tapi kalau misal bahasa lain kita belum standarin. Kalau Golang kan dia udah punya standar sendiri tuh, mau compile juga udah error sendiri. Tapi kalau misal Python belum, karena kita base-nya JavaScript sama Golang, jadi mostly udah terstandar sih. Dan salah satu juga kita mengandalkan review dari lead sih, supaya enakeun lah. Capek gue pakai ini aja lah. Emang kenapa bro? Ada kesulitan di situ? Kalau nama variabel itu termasuk standar kode bukan mas? Contohnya nama variabel tidak boleh asal-asalan, standar kok. Tapi kalau misal nama variabel itu tuh cuman bisa diceknya itu camel case atau snake case. Tapi kalau nama variabelnya itu biasanya dari review sih.
Feel free bro, nanya-nanya. Kirain lu kesulitan nge-review orang lain kan tuh. Terus mau implementasi standar coding enaknya gimana ya gitu sih kalau mau coba.
With you all summer and after rain. 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 With you all summer.
Ngapain? Ya kagak, dipasangin ini aja. Kalau dari gua si ICD-nya dipasang flag. Gitu doang. Si ICD-nya dipasang flag. Jadi nanti kalau misal mereka nge-push ke repository, dia bakal kalau misal mereka mau bikin PR, itu mereka bakal ditolak soalnya flag ada banyak yang error. Selama ini kalau review code hanya sebatas bisa dibaca aja udah termasuk oke. Enggak. Nih aku kasih lihat dikit. Kalau misal bisa dibaca itu tentu paling utama ya. Bisa dibaca itu tuh paling utama. Cuman ada case. Itu tuh sebenarnya kita perlu ngeyakinin kalau misal PR-nya tuh emang bener-bener jalan gitu kan. Contoh selama ini kalau review code hanya sebatas belajar termasuk oke. Karena gini ya, tanggung jawab sebagai reviewer kalau misal nanti codingannya masuk ke production terus ada bug, reviewer yang disalahin. Kok bisa masukin kode bug gitu ke dalam sini kan? Biasanya kalau misal aku paling gampangnya itu commitnya itu kan biasanya kalau PR itu change kayak gini kan, change kayak gini nih. Ya lihat aja before and afternya apa yang berubah, terus sesuai sama standar atau enggak. Cuman biasanya kan reviewer itu ada apa sih, ada standar memakluminya ya, ada yang terlalu nazi atau enggak. Kalau gue biasanya yang penting pertama ngikutin standar, yang kedua kan dia nge-PR, gue ngecek fiturnya jalan atau enggak, berfungsi atau enggak, itu aja gue mah, nggak perlu ribet. Kalau misal udah ngikutin standar sama tools PR-nya jalan, fiturnya jalan, ya udah. Sebenernya gue mau nambahin standar lain sih, unit testing, mampus tuh. Kalau udah masukin unit testing kan mampus tuh programmer. Belum. TDD itu sulit di standar. Jadi yang mau aku tekankan tuh di culture. Ngebiasain dulu aja programmernya buat make unit testing segala macam. Oke, ini beres. Gua sekarang tinggal kirimin ke sana. Push. Ini kayaknya gue mending bikin satu ini deh, file. Set, gitu doang. Bukan mas, belum kebaca nih. Maksud saya sebatas dibaca aja udah oke lah kodenya, karena yang terpenting bisa dibaca dulu. Betul kok, betul kok. Cuman kenapa gue menekankan di poin kedua si fiturnya jalan atau enggak? Biasanya gini ya, ada beberapa programmer yang kayak ceroboh, mereka ngebikin fitur delete, fitur simpan data, tapi pakai metode HTTP-nya get, harusnya kan pakai metode HTTP-nya post. Ya gue menekankan itu dari awal sih, jangan pakai get on production duluan gitu segala macam. Jadi kayak lebih ngeset ekspektasinya lebih terstandar sih gitu. Gue nyimpannya di mana? Oh ini dia.
I'll get straight to the point. I found marijuana in the house. And while I never thought of myself as the type of father who'd have to drug test his kids, I'm willing to do just that if that's what it takes to find out who brought a joint into this house.
Dad, Lucy found something too.
Dad, I found a joint in Mom's dresser drawer.
Apa bedanya? Pukul aja mas yang kayak gitu biar kau. Ini biar ngeband loh. Gimana sih? Apa bedanya TTD sama BDD? TTD itu Test Driven Development, TDD maksudnya ya. Kalau BDD itu apa ya, gue lupa ya. Behavior. Gue baru denger sih BDD. Oh, oke, gua ngerti nih perbedaannya. TDD atau Test Driven Development itu tuh lebih mengedepankan tes, kan ya. Jadi mau nggak mau itu yang masuk ke production harus udah bener aja, nggak boleh ada sama sekali bug gitu kan. Bedanya sama BDD, Behavior Driven Development itu tuh lebih agile, jadi ngikutin standar bisnis lah. Biasanya ada pengecualian, nggak apa-apa lah, nggak ada bug bagian itu, toh nggak kepake ini. Lebih ke culture dan kebiasaan sih lebihnya. Dan di sini kan lebih ke kolaborasi daripada developer sama PM dan atau bisnis segala macam. Jadi bukan mengedepankan masuk production nggak ada bug, tapi lebih mengedepankan hasil. Ya udah, toh fitur itu yang masuk, ya udah yang dites fitur itu doang gitu sih. Kayaknya gue juga biasanya pakai itu ya kali ya. Nah, kalau gini enak nih jalan. Cuman datanya lama ya diambilnya. Coba kita jalankan asinkronus. Apakah inti dari unit testing itu adalah persiapan untuk mencegah? Bukan. Error itu nggak pernah bisa dihindari, bro. Dan tipe-tipe bug itu banyak. Ada glitch, ada failure, ada fatal, ada bug, ada wrong, ada apa segala macam. Ada 8 poin kalau nggak salah. Beda-beda. Inti dari unit testing adalah fitur yang diberikan dari developer pada ke PM itu udah nggak error. Jadi contohnya itu kalau misal kita bikin kalkulator fungsi pembagian gitu kan, fungsi lain udah beres, tinggal fungsi pembagian yang belum beres. Nah, si developer itu tuh dituntut untuk bikin unit testing di fitur yang lagi dia kerjain. Mostly kayak gitu sederhananya. Biasanya kan coverage code-nya biasanya data standar berapa coverage code buat unit testing ada 80%. Jadi mau nggak mau nanti setelah bikin fiturnya, ya coverage code-nya harus 80% lagi. Kalau misal mencegah error nggak mungkin, intinya tuh mencegah tipe bug yang bug dari engineer, bug dari developer, kayak gitu sih. Nah, cobain pakai asing dah. Cobain ya. From request asing. Beda. Nih, gue kasih lihat bedanya ya. Nih gue share linknya ya kalau mau. Nah, difference between defect, error, bug, failure, dan fault nih ya. Jadi pada pertama kali muncul error yang ada di aplikasi itu disebutnya defect, defektif, atau ketidaknormalan. Nah, tipe-tipenya beda-beda. Di sini ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ini yang paling gampang gue menjelaskan ke business unit atau ke product manager. Karena mereka akhirnya mengerti, oh ternyata yang muncul itu bukan salah engineer, atau oh yang muncul ini tuh emang salah gua. Karena kan sebenarnya kalau misal muncul bug atau muncul error yang ujung-ujungnya disalahin developer, padahal developer nyadar, loh itu bukan masalah gua, itu masalah user atau segala macam kan. Nah, untuk ngebedainnya dari sini. Di sini yang pertama ada wrong. Kalau wrong itu apa? Jadi pada saat si fiturnya masuk ke production, pada saat fiturnya masuk ke staging dan di testing sama PM, wah ini nggak sesuai sama requirement dokumen, itu disebutnya wrong. Kalau missing, wah ini ada yang kurang lu, padahal gue udah jelasin di dokumen apa aja gitu kan. Terus ekstra. Oke, ekstra tuh kayak gini. Engineer tuh nyadar, kayaknya gue mau inisiatif ngebikinin sesuatu biar user gampang dan di luar requirement. Taunya fitur itu malah ngebug, bro. Malah ngebug. Nah, ini disebutnya ekstra. Bukan wrong atau bukan missing. Harusnya wrong kan, tapi itu tuh penambahan fitur baru oleh engineer, disebutnya ekstra. Nah, error itu baru biasanya yang kalau misal kita kerjain nggak beres di tahap unit testing, kayak lu di sini tuh kayak apa ya? Beda. Nah, di sini nih kayak programmer salah nulis variable name atau enggak kurang titik koma atau kayak gitulah, typo dikit, itu namanya error. Kalau bug baru biasanya kalau misal bug itu pada saat user nginput sesuatu malah muncul error. Nah, itu kesalahan programmer juga, bug. Kalau failure tuh kita lagi normal pakai aplikasi terus tiba-tiba aplikasinya error tanpa sebab atau aplikasinya mati, itu disebutnya failure. Kalau fault itu biasanya penyebabnya oleh third party, bukan di luar aplikasi. Artinya ada kita tuh udah integrasi sama third party, terus third partinya error, itu biasanya gara-gara fault. Semuanya dibenerin sama developer. Tapi yang bener-bener kesalahan dari developer ngoding itu, bener-bener kesalahan dari kualitas ngodingnya developer adalah di wrong, missing, extra, error, sama bug. Failure sama fault itu di luar tanggung jawab developer, karena bukan di luar tanggung jawab developer, bukan penyebabnya oleh developer, tapi penyebabnya oleh di luar hal lain. Gitu. Ini yang biasanya gua jelasin ke bisnis, apa beda-bedanya sih? Iya, third party tuh kadang suka nyapein kalau integrasi emang.
Said you can't trust me. I said it's fine because I'm not happy till I tell a lie. Now my bedsheets smell like your cologne, and in our separate worlds we sleep alone. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-dum, da-da-dum, ba-ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-ba-dum.
Gila lu. Mending gua jadi lead biasa aja dah. Ngomong-ngomong perusahaan seperti Advisory, CTO-nya masih ngoding kah mas? Sudah. BTW di Advisory belum ada CTO, adanya Head of Tech, Head of Engineer, itu Mas Ans. Dan doi juga masih ngoding kok. Nah, Aditya itu sekarang jadi COO, Chief of Operation. Kalau CTO-nya Doi dulu tuh ngebikin alatnya, tepatnya sih.
Got a box cutter with your name on it. Tell me more, I can't stay this long on the same
line 59 open source ada. Maximum requisition. Kira-kira apakah seorang CEO startup perlu bisa ngoding, Mas? Tergantung kebutuhan kayaknya. Tapi sebenarnya CEO ngapain juga mikir ke situ sih? Karena kan CEO tergantung level seriesnya, ngikutin target company buat bisa naik series atau naikin GMV. Yang penting kan sebenarnya naikin GMV company gitu sih. Biasanya kalau misal sekarang tuh trennya kan ada no code, jadi mau level CEO juga kayaknya udah nggak perlu ngoding, soalnya ada no code, bikin aplikasi tapi nggak perlu ngoding. No code, lu bisa ngeceknya kayak gini nih. No code teknologi nggak perlu ngoding. Ya ini tools-toolsnya gitu kan, kayak bubble.io. Lu bisa bikin platform aplikasi web dengan drag and drop pakai bubble.io. Oke, ini nih. Di sini toolsnya banyak kok, mau pakai apa aja. Bisa pakai salah satu website buat jadi database, Google Spreadsheet jadi database. Di sini kayak banyak use case-nya kayak gimana. Web app gitu kan, kayak gitu segala macam. Backendless, Google Analytics, Stacker, JetBoost, banyak kok. Jadi pengen jelasin tentang itu. Apa ya? Lah, bodo amat, nggak perlu pakai request nanti aja. Nah, gini aja lah, bodo amat. Oke, sekarang waktunya digabungin.
Bentar, AFK dulu. Seenggaknya kalau nggak no code bisa low code. Low code effortnya kecil banget tuh engineer kalau mau ngapa-ngapain, enak banget sumpah. Nokotek itu website yang ngelis kalau misal lu pengen ngebikin web apapun tanpa ngoding, dia ngasih listnya kayak gimana-gimana. Terus kalau misal mau bikin web e-commerce tanpa ngoding, web generatornya apa, terus database-nya disimpan di mana, dia kayak ngebantu ngelis doang sih. List doang. Menurut Mas, startup yang keren di Indonesia apa? Kalau gue masih menetapkan ke Gojek sih sebenarnya. Kenapa gue bisa sebut keren? Soalnya kan dia salah satu startup yang udah unicorn kali ya. Udah di atas unicorn. Dan itu tuh salah satu produk Indonesia yang sampai lintas Asia Tenggara. Di Thailand ada, di Singapura ada, di negara lain juga ada. Dan orangnya nggak sedikit. Ya gue sih kayak masih mikir kalau misal Gojek tuh udah cukup keren sih, selevel Indomie lah kalau di Indonesia, keren banget. Dekakorn ya betul. Maksudnya startup yang masih merintis tapi sudah mulai terdengar di publik. Startup yang menurut gua tuh impactfulnya udah gede. Ada, gua lupa ya namanya. Ada ini salah satu startup temen gua sih, maksudnya kayak dia pernah ada PM-nya di situ. Ini kali ya. Nah ini bener, lindungi hutan. Jadi PM-nya temen gua. Gua nggak tahu series apa mereka. Yang pasti mereka itu produknya itu lindungin hutan. Sesederhana itu. Dan rata-rata pun projectnya itu cuman ngumpulin pohon, kayak kita nyumbang crowdfunding kayak gitu segala macam. Tapi keren menurut gue ya, karena inovasi mereka itu tuh bener-bener move on dan sesuai sama target. Dia bikin campaign terus crowdfunding biasa sebenarnya, digitalnya. Tapi produk impactfulnya dia bikin peduli sama lingkungan lah. Tapi kalau misal startup teknologi yang gue suka di Indonesia itu yang masih merintis itu traktir. Nah, wah gua nganalisa teknologinya juga edan nih, keren banget sumpah. Mereka koneksi apa sih, komunikasi datanya ada yang pakai WebSocket, ada yang HTTPRS biasa. Kalau yang gue suka dia sih, mereka sih. Udah, cuman kurang, masih kurang aja sih. Kita bersih-bersih. Pakai query ternyata ya. Query. Mas di FS3 udah pada nerapin pakai GraphQL, kita pakai GraphQL. Karena JavaScript, GraphQL. Bagusan gRPC apa GraphQL mas? Kalau gue GraphQL sih. Belum ada spesifik alasan ilmiah, tapi gue masih berpihak aja. Apa ya, gRPC itu terlalu enterprise menurut gue. Itu aja sih. GraphQL pakai Django enak tuh mas. Gue nggak rekomen sih, soalnya Django tuh salah satu framework lambat. Jadi kalau misal digabungin dengan GraphQL, makin lama.
Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. Just leave me for somebody else. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. Just leave me for somebody else. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. Just leave me for somebody else. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself.
Sejauh ini framework tercepat, kita cek di Tech Empower. Di techempower.com di Februari tanggal 8 terakhir paling cepat Dragon Core. Ini gue yakin dari C Sharp. Oh, C++ tuh. C++ framework paling cepat, web framework. Enggak, bukan, sorry. Composite Score liatnya. Ini nih Lithium. Paling cepat. C Sharp. Ini gitu? Bentar. Oh, ini mah komposit. Bentar, bukan itu. Fortune apa? Ah, ya ini nih, Fortune. Best performa Dragon Core. Ah, C++. Lu kalau mau ngebandingin lagi pas API itu 247 tuh kan, terus Django 300, kalau Node di 154-an, Gin 160 gitu sih. Apakah kalau ingin web cepat kita harus menggunakan Dragon, Mas? Enggak juga. Sebenarnya kalau misal gue sebagai lead buat desain apa aplikasi web aplikasi yang cepat mau gue kembangkan, pertama gue mikir dulu yang mau ngoding siapa, bisa ngodingnya apa enggak, terus dia ngodingnya paling cepat apa. Kayak gue contoh yang bakal ngerjain gue, ya gue ngoding paling cepat berarti Python kan, ya udah gue berarti gue pakai Fast API aja, gitu aja sih. Yang penting tuh nanti lu processing datanya itu cepat atau enggak dibandingkan dengan big O notation-nya. Kalau notasinya kan biasanya processing data itu tergantung dari banyaknya data sama algoritmanya kayak gimana. Ya gue paling ngitungnya dari big O notation-nya. Kalau notasinya makin tinggi berarti makin lama. Ya biasanya paling cepat itu kan O log n, tapi O log n itu tuh kayak udah magic lah. Biasanya kalau enggak O2n, ya O2n lah rata-rata. Datang-datang hai sayang lu, bacot lu Ron. APK Android ini kagak Python.
I'm just a fool to keep on chasing after nothing great. You're just a fool to keep pretending that you're loving me. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Call me on the phone at 3, I talk to you, I'll half asleep, complaining about your mother, so I
Web,
take you to
ini enggak, gue bukan buat web, ini crawler.
to me. I like the sound, I like your voice, I like your downfall.
crawler, aplikasi CMD lah. Apa yang dimaksud DevRel? DevRel itu development relation. Mungkin itu tuh susah didefinisiin sih. Sebenarnya kalau misal bisa disingkat, dia itu developer yang lebih mikir ke arah people. Kalau misal timnya itu baik atau enggak segala macam, terus performanya bagus atau enggak, kayak gitu sih segala macam. Kalau misal mau disingkat, kamu pernah tahu HR kan, human resource lah, role HR. Nah, bayanginnya HR tapi dia bisa ngoding gitu sih. Dari bisnis, maksudnya ini ya, startup series ya. Gue jelasinnya gimana ya? Segitiga. Data harganya lu masukin satu persatu? Enggak, data harganya gua ambil dari internet terus gua simpan ke database gua sendiri, otomatis.
startup series valuation. Itu tuh istilah sebenarnya ya. Series startup tuh sebenarnya istilah. Nah, ini nih enaknya nih. Jadi kayak gini nih. Jadi seri startup itu tuh dilihat dari valuasi dari startupnya. Valuasi itu apa? Kayak valuasi itu rumusnya banyak sebenarnya. Ada dari GMV, apakah company-nya udah punya untung atau belum. Terus apakah company-nya punya utang. Terus gimana cara dia apa sih namanya, bakar uangnya gitu segala macam. Nah, startup yang baru tuh biasanya munculnya dari idea stage. Biasanya disebut pre-seed. Nah, seed round. Nih di sini seed round itu valuasinya itu startupnya itu bisa di bawah $15.000. $15.000 tuh startup valuasinya. Terus masuk seed round. Seed round itu $200.000. Itu udah masuk seed round kan. Kalau seed round itu tuh udah punya company, udah punya gedung lah, lumayan kan ya. Biasanya tergantung dari valuasi itu dilihat dari si company ininya apa namanya, udah mature perusahaannya atau enggak, perusahaannya udah dewasa atau enggak. Nah, kalau misal F3 dia masuk series C. Series C dia valuasinya kalau di internet $250 juta. Itu udah gede lah, lumayan kan. Kalau kalau siapa namanya? Kalau si Tokopedia kayak gitu segala macam itu udah IPO, initial public offering, berarti udah nge-offer saham ke publik segala macam. Series itu ya tergantung kayak lu startup kalau misal dulu kan 2015 gitu Gojek itu masih series A dan segala macam. Sebelum series itu ada seed. Dari seed ke series itu susah banget sumpah. Gue pernah tuh ngeliat temen buat kayak gitu untuk Android, datanya buat satu persatu database. Ya bisa bro, betul. APK IPO iya jelas lah itu menguntungkan. Perusahaan yang udah IPO kayak gitu tuh ya berarti udah selevel Indomie kali ya, udah selevel Mandiri, udah selevel BCA, perusahaannya ada di luar negeri cabangnya kayak gitu. Wah, udah 3 jam. Kayaknya buat hari ini tak sudahi dulu deh. Ini kan tinggal bersih-bersih. Tinggal bersihin ke main.py, udah gitu kita push. Tapi sebelumnya aku push dulu deh. Yo, makasih banget coy. Udah banyak yang nonton aja 3 jam, sumpah nggak lama banget. Biasanya gue cuma butuh sejam. Tapi ngodingnya lumayan juga sih, lumayan intens. Gue terlalu detail, harusnya nggak terlalu detail juga sih. Makanya skripsi gue nggak ngebuat data banyak, kemakan waktu nginput. Iya kalau di otomatis enak sih bro. BTW enak. Thanks banget yang udah banyak nonton dari tadi. Ada Proton, ya Tegar lah, Wihlarkop, terus ada Aaron, thanks juga Ron udah nonton. So kayak cukup dulu buat hari ini. Nah mungkin ketemu lagi nanti di Rabu depan lagi. Dan yang crawler ini mungkin gue langsung rilis
bikin video YouTube-nya mungkin insya Allah besok. So thanks banget udah nongkrong di sini ngobrol-ngobrol juga. Gua merasa menikmati ngobrolnya. So ketemu lagi